Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to remove background in Figma. Okay, first of all, click on my menu, click on plugins and manage plugin. Right, remove BG and click on this. Okay, click on run. Okay, select a single node. Click on your image where you want to remove background. Okay, next click on plugins, remove background, set API key. First, go to remove background site and create a free account. Okay, I just created a free account, and next after that you can find your API key. After that you can find your API key here. I'm just create an account and create API key, and I click on save. Okay. Choose your image, click on plugins, remove background and click on run and wait. Okay, we just removed background in Figma, friends. It's so amazing. Thank you for the watch. Have a nice day.